Hope you have gone through all the feed rate optimization episodes, and this week I'll show you exactly how that converts into a production numbers. So if you are running RN34 on your machines, and when you go to RN35 directly without feed rate optimization, you get an average of about 3% cycle time reduction. Again, this will depend on the tool types and how you set up everything. And from RN35, when you apply the feed rate optimization, you'll get another 15% cycle time reduction. Again, that's an average, and below is the data what I had shown you in one of the episodes on a 12mm 4-float standard corner radius tool, where you saved about 2 minutes and 8 seconds on this tool. Now this is again an optimal condition, but this will depend on your wheel quality, your setup of your tools, your coolant delivery. There will be several features that will depend on this, so it could vary from tool to tool, from production to production. Now based on this, what I have done is I've calculated a productivity on a 16-hour shift 5 days for 1 month, and I've taken some 5 standard tools, including a 12mm 4-float square end mill and a few other tools. And with 34.1, you are able to get, for example, tool number 2, you are able to get 1035 tools. And directly going to 35.1 without feed rate optimization, you are getting a more productivity. And when you use feed rate optimization, you are getting further productivity increase. And this is why, and when you look at this in terms of dollars or numbers, so take tool number 2, you are getting 166 tools and then an extra 111 tools. And if you convert that into dollars, so overall you save around $16,000 with 35.1 and about 11,000 with feed rate optimization, and a total saving of around 27,000 AUD. Now of course, I have not taken material and the labor charges and all that, so this could be different, but this is a direct calculation, and definitely there is dollar savings when you use feed rate optimization.